具有远见的未来都市概念，挑战极限的全新奥迪 Q3，生产于天津工厂，一个超越竞争对手的进取先锋，踏去。
China is our most important market and the lead market for electric mobility. We have launched our electric pioneer in San Francisco, the Audi AIcon here, and as of 2020, this car, the Audi AIcon, will be produced locally here in China. Mobility experience of tomorrow. To sharpen our focus, we have carried out a strategic realignment.
Distinguished Dr. Dis, Mr. Xu Liuping, Mr. Alexander Sis, media friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the press conference for the Audi brand. This year represents the beginning of another 30 years of FAW-Audi joint relationship.
AIMI is a third concept which is designed for tomorrow's urban traffic in megacities like here in Shanghai. And we are fundamentally changing the attitude to a car by rethinking the sculpture and shaping almost holistic new living space, third living space, alongside home and work.